This could have been anybody walking at the corner of Lake Shore Boulevard and Superior. This is MIMICO, and this is where a lot of people go out and about, whether it's restaurants or coffee shops or the grocery store. But on this night, a speeding SUV came through here and killed 2 people, and then ended up right here in the back of this flatbed truck, which is on the TTC tracks for the streetcar being repaired. And this driver was killed right here at the scene. In total, 3 people killed in a shocking incident that has not only shaken this neighborhood, but the whole city.
This is awful. I can't believe this happened here. Yeah, I don't know. So I just can put some flowers. Just for respect.
This is a very close-knit neighborhood. So if you live down here in MIMICO, you kind of know people. You may not know their name, but you see their faces because it's like a small town. And the reaction has been like that. People have been coming with flowers and candles, but also stories about seeing these 2 people walking around, going into the IDA drugstore or going into the pub. It can happen very fast. Just like that, lives can end. And that's what happened here along the lake shore in MIMICO. With Ernest Jurosic, this is Joe Warmington, Toronto Sun.